beautiful day. Oh, God. Mario. Yes. Oh. Oh my God. Luigi. God damn it. Are you okay? No. I need to get you to a doctor. 5.5 hours later. The doctor said there was nothing wrong with you. God. I don't know what's wrong with you, Luigi, but I don't think there's anything wrong. Does it look like nothing is wrong, Mario? I don't know. What? How about this, Luigi? Let's take you to a medical repairing shop. I don't even know what that is, but come on, let's go, Luigi. Ugh.